Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am giving you a glimpse of the best garden market in Kolkata. This is the Galiff Street market just beside the Panch Matar More or Shyambazar. Just beside the Shyambazar, you can visit in the Sunday in the market, and only this is the Sunday market. And this opens from 6 a.m. early in the morning, and this stays up to 6 p.m. and you can buy lots of plants, every kinds of plants. You can see lots of petunia here, echeveria, and many of the monstera plant. You see different types of orchids and different types of indoor plants as well as outdoor plants. If you want some fruit plants, vegetable plants, every kind of plants, and even if you want some of the gardening materials, every kind of fertilizer, every kinds of tools, gardening tools, you can buy here. And you can see this beautiful this petunia, and here are some purple vine, turtle vine, juice, and say syngonium, different kinds of syngonium, monstera. This is a broken heart monstera. So different types of plants you can buy, and that too you have to do some bargaining here. They make lots of bargaining. Different types of money plants you can buy here. So I will give you the total overview of the total street. This is the street just beside the Shyambazar Panchmatar More, and this opens only on Sundays. So you have to visit in the Sunday early in the morning, and you can buy different types of flowering plants, fruiting plants, every kind of plant. And if you are interested in some birds or some pets of some dogs, doggies, and some birds and different types of rabbits, hares, if you want, you can buy those also. And some aquarium fish also available here. So if you want some aquarium things, you can buy aquarium things also, every kind of aquarium material. And you can see the plants here. So this is the biggest market in Kolkata for plants market. And see, this is lily, different varieties of lily bulbs you can buy here. You can see the coloration of the lilies, and they are all permanent plants. So if you grow once only, so you can get flowers year after year. You can get flowers from here. This is beautiful lilies, lots of varieties of lily. If you want some water plants also, this is lotus 8 to 10 varieties of lotus plants stems you can buy. And these are all indoor plants. You can see some Christmas plants, some, this is calathea, and this is also lotus. You can see lots of lotus, monstera varieties of plants, syngonium, and gigi plant. And you can see some song of India, and lots of indoor as well as outdoor plants. And this is the market where you can see lots of variety that in other market you cannot see. This is echeveria. You can see the stock of echeveria. This is a succulent, and every kind of succulent, that too in very reasonable price. But you have to make some bargaining, proper bargaining, and you can buy plants here. So if you once in a lifetime, you must visit there. And every Sunday there you will see lots of different varieties of plants, all gardening materials. You can see manures, bone meal, horn meal, leather meal, different types of stones. You can see some decoration stones, at least 20 to 30 varieties of decoration stones you can get, around 30 to 40 rupees kilo. So they sell it by kilogram basis. And you can see bone meal, leather meal, horn meal, some mustard cake powder, mustard cake, different types of cocoa peat, some cocoa peat bars, and here you can see cocoa stick also. So every kind of gardening material, that too in very reasonable price, you can get here. So I love this market, I like this market. And if you want, you can visit in early in the morning, in the Sundays only. Say this open only in Sunday, once in a week only. So you have to be careful about the days you have to visit here. And you have to get some bags, big bags, so that you can buy lots of gardening materials as well as plants also. So they pack it nicely properly, so that you can carry it in a distance place. So this is some different types of this powder, mustard cake powder, some groundnut cake powder, groundnut cake, mustard cake, different types of materials that you cannot imagine that you can get a bone meal, leather meal, horn meal, some different types of manures, and mixture fertilizer also if you want. Here are some hibiscus, lots of 70 to 80 varieties of hibiscus you can buy here. And aparajita or some blue pea, butterfly pea, 3 or 4 varieties of blue pea, and some different types of hibiscus you can get. some of the hibiscus mutabilis, hibiscus chinensis, all kinds of hibiscus. And you can see this is the stock here. So this is the very, very large market, and you can see some porcelain also. Here you can see aparajita and some lotus, and these kinds of lotus plants you can see, you can buy. So if you grow this lotus, they are perennial plants. Year after year you can get the flowers and you can propagate it easily in your home. And you see this different different kinds of different differentiatia you can buy here. And this is the gladulous bulbs. Each bulb is their cost around 10 rupees per bulb. Different types of orchids you can see, and some tuberose, different types of orchids you can get here. Every kind of orchid you can buy here. I love the orchid. They are stock here, and they are all hanging orchid you can see in this stock. This is the orchid stock here, and all kinds of orchid, dendrobium or different types of catalia or every kind of orchid. And here you can see some beautiful ringun creeper. Ringun creeper in this small pot and this small plant, the flowering you can see, and this hibiscus, white hibiscus, you can see the coloration of these flowering plants. So rangan or this fruiting plant, this all-time mango plant you can see, and some jamrul or water apple, different terms of water apple, some kamranga, carambola, and every kind of fruiting plant, some grafted plants. Whenever you buy plants, try to buy some grafted plants because their quality is much better than that. And here some pots of plastic pots, different types of plastic pots, ceramic pots, all the kind of sprayers you can buy. And I like this pots here, and if you want you can buy some earthen pots also. And you can see the plants. And if you visit once, and you cannot see these kinds of stock in any other market in Kolkata or any other place in India, because the variety here you can get lots of variety. The croton you can see the croton coloration, and some hibiscus rangon, some crotons, and some money plant with sticks here, square sticks in plants. And this is rangon tagore. And I'll show you some rubber plants also, Arelia. And this is a very kinds of every kinds. Now I'll show you some earthen pots, stocks of earthen pots here, and they are very good quality. Glass pot, here you can see glass quality earthen pot, every kind of bonsai pots, orchid pots, normal pots, 8-inch to up to 18-inch pots you can buy here. So they are very good quality of earthen pot. If you visit here, from starting from 2 to 3 inches up to 18 inches you can buy. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.